Now that you have a goal, it's time to set yourself up for success by having a place that you're going to gather everything to and be able to spread out and look at your photos. Because if your photos are out of sight, they're out of mind. And if they're out of mind, you're not going to achieve your goal. In fact, that's one of the reasons why some of our clients will hand everything off to us and we bring their collection into our studio where we have space to spread out and work on their collection with them, or we do it for them. So where in your house do you have some space that you can pull out what you're working on and have it out there so that you see it every day and will move forward to use your photos to tell your story? Tell me in the comments below where that is for you and if you have any other questions. And we look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow.